Hi, it's Joanna, and today I want to share with you three things that you might not know about attracting your ideal clients. Number one is that it's not necessarily a logical process. So, have you ever been taken through somebody else's sales funnel? So, you signed up to a free thing, and then maybe you were sold something at a lower price point, and then maybe you were sold something else or offered something else. Have you ever been through somebody else's sales funnel and not bought the thing at the end, even though logically you were interested because you took the free thing, you said yes to that, so logically it would have made sense that you would have bought that, and in fact that whole funnel was probably designed with someone like you in mind, using those logical processes. And on the flip side, have you ever bought something from someone where you have not been through a funnel of any kind, where kind of your decision wasn't based on those logical pieces being in place? I certainly have. So I bought some, not just like little things. I bought like big coaching packages just based on intuition and intuitive hit that this is what I needed right now. So maybe I was asking for a certain kind of support, and then something showed up and I was like, yes, that's it. Even though like I hadn't been through any of the freebies that person offered, or like this happened to me several times. So it's not always a logical process. And so when you see how you react to the logical process of sales when other people are involved, then maybe you can take that and apply it to what you yourself are doing in your business, right? And allow for that flow and that intuition. Maybe not put so much importance on a logical funnel or a logical system. The second thing about client attraction that you might not know is that it's not actually hard, but it does take consistency. It does take a consistency of energy. So when you prioritize your own energy, everything changes. And when you consistently prioritize your own energy, everything changes. So when you make space to address how you feel, to clear old beliefs, to feel connected to your higher self, like all these things make you feel better in the moment. They raise your vibration. And they just make you feel happier and more confident, right? Which means that you're more willing to take the action that you need to take. We all know, like on those days when we feel a bit down and a bit, doubtful and fearful or whatever, we're less likely to take the action that we know would reach our audience, or we know that we're passionate about because we're questioning, whether we're enough and all these sorts of things. And that's what, that's showing up, and that being willing to consistently feel good there, and therefore from that space consistently show up and share what what you're here to spread, the message you're here to spread. That's what creates that magnetism. That's when people have to have something to be attracted to, right? So people are attracted. This is actually number three. I've skipped on to number three very quickly. The third thing that you might not know about attracting your ideal clients is that they need something to be attracted to, and that's you, right? They're not attracted to like a logically written out post of some kind, or email sequence. That's not how they can decide at that energy level that you're the right person to help them. They might decide on that logical level, based on fear or based on logic, but that's not magnetism, right? Magnetism is when you're drawn to something kind of inexplicably almost, and that it's the right thing. You might not be able to explain why, but it's the right thing. So make sure that you're giving your ideal clients, your potential ideal clients, something to be attracted to. So that means make sure that you're showing up in a passionate way, in an authentic way, showing them who you are and what you believe in and what you stand for, not just what you can help them with, but really what you stand for, so that they can be attracted to something, that they have something for their energy to be attracted to. So these are the three things that I wanted to talk to you about today. I hope that was helpful. Let me know. Bye.